Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. How do you deal with this pandemic of darkness? Well, let's talk about that. First of all, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. This is a channel all about esoteric science. I'm a light worker. I have been for over 20 years, and I teach other light workers. I teach people how to become light workers. So if you're interested in learning how to become a light worker, type "teach me" in the comments. So make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell, and let's discuss how to deal with this pandemic of darkness. You see, right now, of course, there is COVID-19, the coronavirus, and there's the quarantine, there's the economic downturn, there's the case with George Floyd, only to name one of the racial inflammatory cases that have happened in this recent period. Now, all of these things, disease, poverty, conflict, they've been going on for thousands of years, but right now it's spreading. It's becoming more and more pervasive. It's on everyone's minds. Black lives matter. All lives matter. The Boy Scouts. So many situations are closing in all around us. All this darkness. No matter where you turn, there's more darkness. More darkness. How do you handle all this darkness? Okay? First of all, it's all in how you look at it. See, if you look at everything that's happening as, oh my God, this is the end of days, this is the Armageddon, this is the apocalypse, this is just a freaking bad time. It is. But it is also a cleansing. It is a cleansing of old, festering, negative energies, bringing it out into the open, into the light. And because we now have to deal with it, not just pass it over to politicians, pass it over to the media, pass it over to a focus group. No, you and I must now deal with racism, poverty, injustice, disease, conflict. All of these economic problems must be dealt with right now. So, the way to deal is to be happy. To realize that through these purifications, we will rise to a higher state of spiritual awareness as a society, as a country, as a nation, as a world. We will now evolve. Things are evolving. Now we're considering hygiene. We're considering interpersonal communications. We're considering the true and more productive use of the internet. Okay? Now, many people who coasted through and just went along with whatever was happening and whatever the group decided, now answer for yourself. So, the best way to deal with this pandemic of darkness is to realize this darkness has been revealed in the light to be purified and to raise all of our vibrations. All those who participate in these discussions, in these activities, in a positive and fruitful way, not just going along with the crowd, but thinking for themselves, making their own decision. Hey, these things matter. These things are important. These things should not be taken lightly or just, not really dealt with. If this is what you now understand, type truth in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. You'll help someone that you don't even know. Make sure you use the link and acquire yourself some quantum orgonite. This is more unique than you can understand. It is more unique than regular orgonite. It is not only a Qi accumulator, but a Qi generator, powered by you, using these copper loops in the back. So it also has loops so that if you wear it lower, you can put another cord through the lower loops and wear a body loop. So this is quite unique for orgonite. Make sure you use the link in the comments. Tell me what you think. If there's something that you'd like to add or take away from, just let me know. I answer all of my comments as soon as possible. If you want to reach me on social media, use the links in the description. If you want to join the Facebook group, use that link in the description. If you just want to donate, use the Cash App or the PayPal link in the description. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.